Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can update your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra software to Android 12. It is the latest release. Now first tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on software update. Then tap on download and install. Now if there is a new update on your device, you'll be able to download and install the latest update so that you can update your device to Android 12. Now whether you have the new update or not will depend on your network carrier. Some network carrier or some network provider will push out the update as soon as they have them. Others they'll need to go through and test out to make sure that the new software update is compatible with your device. So just be patient. Sooner or later you will get the latest update. Now if you cannot wait, and if you are impatient, you can also force your device to update by using Odin and flashing the firmware directly to your device. Now to do that, you need to go to a website, Sun Mobile, and you can download the firmware. So here we put in the latest firmware, choose your model, and then in here you can see at the moment we've got a version from United Kingdom, and it has already been released on the 30th of December with Android version 12. So you can download that copy and then use Odin to flash the firmware onto your device, and then you will not have to wait. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.